settled as it is, though, across the Balkans. In fact, from Italy right the way through the Balkan states, much of Central Europe, it's pretty stormy at the moment, and that's all tied in with this area of low pressure, which will move those storms into parts of Turkey and Greece by tomorrow and introduce quite a chilly northerly wind across Central Europe. And still, it'll bring plenty of showers southwards on that northerly wind right the way down into the central Mediterranean basin. But still some fine or late summer sunshine to be found across Iberia and the Canaries. And it's looking fairly favourable for the football matches this evening. There's only a small chance that the rain will hold on in Newcastle and in Belfast, but it's certainly been giving us forecasters a headache this morning. We've got a little patchy rain running south through the Midlands towards London, and we've got some more intense rain, as you can see on the radar picture now, across parts of Northern Ireland. Now that will push into parts of southern Scotland and western parts of England and Wales this afternoon, giving way to somewhat drier, brighter weather perhaps for Northern Ireland, but the lion's share of the brighter weather today I think for Scotland, particularly east of the Grampians, but in the north there'll still be quite a brisk wind blowing in some showers to the Highlands and the islands. And any brightness further south will soon fade. So the best temperature we're expecting around 19 degrees. Now in the south we'll hang on to that cloud and rain overnight. Some heavier bursts may well push back in across, say, the south of Wales, the West Country moors and eastwards. So here it will be much milder than we had last night, but still quite a chilly night for the northeast of Scotland and northeastern parts of England. And here a fine start tomorrow, but in the south we'll still have that weather front wriggling around, causing us a few headaches. Still some heavier bursts, say, for the Isle of Wight tomorrow morning, but it should clear fairly quickly by the second half of the morning, the sunshine returning, and then it looks like a fairly dry and bright day for many parts of England, Wales and Northern Ireland. But as we clear the rain from the south, we pick up the rain and the wind once again in the north and the west. And by Friday, that weather front will be straddling many parts. It looks like the heaviest rain won't come in until later in the day, so eastern areas again may escape with drier and brighter conditions, and also southern and western areas. And it's in the south and west on Saturday, with high pressure not too far away, that we should see the driest conditions. But we'll have quite an active weather front, I think, further north and east, giving us some quite heavy spells of rain. There's a little bit of uncertainty as we get into Sunday as to how far south that weather front's going to push, but it does look as if it will introduce that cloudier weather with some rain further south and west, and some chilly northerly winds, strong northerly winds, will follow.